The battery is charged, but the engine won't start. A faulty starter solenoid could be the reason why the starter isn't working. If the starter clicks but the engine doesn't turn over, the solenoid might be defective. You can test it by bridging the input and output terminals with an old screwdriver. Safety first. Always wear safety glasses and good gloves. Make contact for no more than 10 seconds. The screwdriver can get extremely hot. Watch out so it doesn't fuse to the solenoid terminals. Have a helper ready at the battery. If something goes wrong, disconnect the terminal immediately. I'll cover other possible causes in the next video.